Houston news websites stating that they too saw this object in the skies over Houston. There was so much commotion about this that the local news station, KPRC in Houston, did a news story on it and posted a video on their website, which you can go and visit by using the link. Here's the first image of the UFO, which you can see seemingly hovering up in the sky to the backdrop of a massive lightning storm that was happening in Houston that night. Now, on a side note, one user on the website Above Top Secret went on to state, and I quote, "I did not see any UFOs unfortunately, but the storms that rolled through West Houston late Monday afternoon, early evening, produced wicked lightning. This really means the lightning was sprawling, extensively branched, wider bolts, and seemed to strike the same areas multiple times over the course of 1 to 2 hours. The clouds were very low, and there was not much wind or rain, but the lightning frequency and intensity was crazy. I am not surprised UFOs were reported," he said, "because the sky was electrified. Plasma strikes galore." End quote. Now, the relevance of the lightning storms go way back to countless other UFO sightings and reports of the well-documented fact that many UFOs are attracted for whatever reason to lightning in our atmosphere. Whether it be a UFO hovering through a local lightning storm in Houston or a massive circular-shaped UFO seen countless times by millions of people on the classic infrared black and white NASA footage from the International Space Station, wherein which you can see the curvature of the Earth in space along with some storm cells and flashing lightning across the atmosphere, and then you see these large circular craft slowly moving from space down into the clouds and atmosphere, disappearing, and then coming back up out again and going back up into space. You can also watch that video in the link below in the video description. Now in this image, you can see that this object has a definite UFO type shape, with a circular and somewhat shiny centerpiece surrounded by smaller white orbs, also producing their own shiny metallic texture, rather than an LED light bulb as some have said this could be. Personally, from what we can see, this does not look like an LED rigged kite or remote control drone. The orbs composed of this UFO are more